What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rusty Nuts Media. If you're new here, welcome to Rusty Nuts Media. Hold on a minute.
So, with this big coronavirus thing that's kind of sweeping the nation here lately, I do want to make sure that everybody's being safe. Everybody just keep washing your hands. Don't be stealing your neighbor's toilet paper. If you need some, just find some, buy some, whatever you got to do. I don't know why toilet paper is the thing, but whatever. Make sure you're staying clean. Stay away from big groups of people. Stay safe out there. And I do want to say, everybody here at Rusty Nuts Media, we are quarantining. We're kind of keeping to ourselves. And as all car guys should know by now, the best place to be during a quarantine is a garage in the middle of the woods, away from everyone. If you can, during the coronavirus times, the best thing to do is just to work on your car, man. Just get over here, maybe a buddy or two. Just work on your race car. Let's get these project cars done, man. Anywho, today, we got a couple boxes we're gonna be looking at. So I've been ordering some parts here lately. I'm waiting on my seats to come in for the car. So in these boxes, we've got the seat brackets for our seats that are coming in. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of seats we bought until they get here, because I wanna kind of show them off. They look really cool. This and these items right here are the window net installation kit, because after the cage gets put in, we're installing a window net just to make sure we're meeting all safety requirements by the tracks, all that kind of stuff. We got our belt because we deleted the air conditioner and everything off the car, so we've got a smaller belt to go on everything and get it running. These are probably what we're going to be installing today. We've got the hub for the Dodge Caliber, the one that fits this. After we get the hub installed, we've got the quick release that's going to be going on by NRG. I think this is the generation 4.0. I actually really like it. I've played with it a little bit. And then the steering wheel. So I decided to go with a MOMO steering wheel. And I've never really looked into MOMO before, but I really like this wheel. So it's wrapped in leather. I think this is the race series wheel that they have out. Of course, it's got the center cap. It's got everything else in the box that you need. All these are ready to go. So I'm about to climb in the car and get everything ready. And we're gonna walk you through installing the quick release and the new steering wheel that we got. I also forgot to mention, I went ahead and ordered a turbo for Gewch. I decided to go with a Precision 6266. And so I'm just waiting on that to come in right now. Once it gets in here, I'll show everybody what it looks like. And also the tubular exhaust manifold that's gonna be going on the car that the turbo is gonna be mounting up to. It is ordered, it's being custom built right now. Our good buddy Aaron at Real Tune Performance, he's making it for us. So hopefully it won't be too long and it'll get here. We can get Gewch cranked up and running. We can start working on the tune. Of course, we're gonna be putting the roll cage in. We're gonna be getting the seats in, the steering wheel, all this stuff, getting ready to run the car in the next month or two. And you guys are gonna be walking through the whole way with us. It is so hot today. It's just humid. It's about to start raining. So, as you can see, my entire dash is already apart because I've been getting ready for the roll cage to go in. Steering wheel, the nut or bolt, whatever this is, that holds the steering wheel on is a 13 millimeter. Oh, God. About fell over.
Trying to make the walls like
Cut the whole back of the car off?
yeah, from like right here where my hand is. Cut all this off, cut that side off.
Cut the whole car apart and make it one person car, huh?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
That's a pretty good idea. I might try that. You know, if we don't go faster than Matt, I might have to try that. Obviously, I have no idea what I'm doing. Hope I don't need that. Let's try to take this one out and see what happens. Hey, look at me, I'm the steering wheel. Oh, blink, dong, blink, dong, blink. Alright, so I would tell you what I'm doing, but I have no idea what I'm doing. I hate small electronics so much. Alright, so I spent the last couple minutes trying to basically gut this clock spring thing that everybody talks about. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it kind of looks like it'll fit now. Let's see. Where did my crap go? Let's see. Here's my new hub. Make sure the little dot lines up. Something like that right there. Hey, that works. Look at that. Yeah. I think that'll do it right there. Cool. Maybe it'll work. Who knows? Hey, I think I got the hub on. I say I think because I have no clue if this is right. Ow. Hey, they gave me a little Allen wrench. Ow! Yeah, that looks right. I don't know what I'm doing. So there's some plugs in here. I'm just gonna randomly plug them up. I don't have a horn anymore, so I don't really think it matters, but I don't think I need a ground if I don't have a horn anyways, so. I don't know, we'll find out if my steering wheel electrocutes me or not, right? Hey, let me know in the comments below if you guys have a quick release, an aftermarket steering wheel. Which wheel did you go with? There was so many choices out there. I just kind of like the basic look of this MOMO wheel that I got. You know, I'm not trying to be too fancy with the car. But yeah, let me know what y'all are running. Ugh. Alright, so maybe the next thing we do, let's get this steering wheel on there. Ooh. I need more hands. How did I do this crooked? God, I need like 8 hands. My back hurts. Is it time to race yet? God. I wish it would stop raining. It's always raining! Hey. Hey. Alright, so I've got the hub on here. I've got half the quick release there. I've got the other half of the quick release on the steering wheel. So something like that, I guess. Steering wheel off. Steering wheel on. So guys, we got the NRG hub installed. We got the NRG quick release, the Gen 4.0 installed. And we got our MOMO Race Series steering wheel installed. And it doesn't look bad at all. This is the 350 millimeter wheel. I've tried a 320 millimeter before. They seemed a little small to me. I just wanted something a little bit bigger. So I went ahead and went with the 350 millimeter. And I actually like it. I really do. So another short video today. The steering wheel is installed. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but we can try it out. Just like that. So we got that done. Coming up, we'll be getting the seats installed when they get here in just a few days. We'll be doing a shift knob, all kinds of different stuff inside the car, getting it ready, cutting it up a little bit more, and then just kind of straightening it out and getting it ready for the cage to go in. Then we're going to take it over to a place in Buford, Georgia is what we found. They're called Top Garage, and we've got an appointment with them to get the roll cage installed. After that's put in, we'll be getting the window net and all that kind of stuff going, and then get it ready to crank up. As soon as we get the turbo and the manifold in, we'll run the oil lines, we'll run the exhaust. That shouldn't take too long at all, and then we will be tuning, getting an alignment, and I think we might be ready to race at that point. So we'll be taking a couple trips to the racetrack, just goofing off in a couple different cars and seeing what everything runs. So I guess we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.